Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your Canva design to Google Drive. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I hop up into my Canva design, and for example, I'm going to save this design to my Google Drive. If you want to do that, we can go to the share menu, and then we can scroll down until we find the see all option here. And then since we want to save our design to Google Drive, we can choose Google Drive. Okay, and make sure you have connected your Canva to the Google Drive. These are my Google Drive folder. If you haven't connected your Canva to Google Drive, you will have the menu here, and you need to choose the Google account you want to connect to Canva. And for example, I'm just going to upload it to this folder. Okay, and then I'm going to click on save. Okay, oops, sorry guys, I forgot to choose the format. I'm going to repeat this tab. Okay, wait, I'm going to choose this folder, and you can choose the file type here. You can choose JPG, PNG, or maybe a PowerPoint. It's up to you, and I'm going to choose JPG, and then just click on save. Okay, and that's all the way to save Canva design to Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.